Do not make the same mistake I did. I made a horrible mistake. I am a beginning YouTuber. I have only been doing it for about 2 years. I got about 4,000 subs now, but in my beginning days, I made some really big mistakes, and this is one of the biggest ones. And now it's costing me a lot of my time, and I want to save you guys from making the same stupid mistake. Do not use free music. That's all I'm saying. I know you're going to say, hey, it says it's free, it says I can use it, or you're going to say, I'm allowed to use it. I don't care. I don't care. I am making this video right now. I just got home from work, and I am furious because I just went back and looked at some of my beginning videos about 2 years ago that I had made, and found out that what I thought when YouTube said, hey, your stuff is copyright material, we want all the revenue. After I got monetized, they said, well, this other stuff has copyrighted content on it, so the music owner gets all the revenue from it, which is not a lot, but it could be as you get older in YouTube, as you start to get more subscribers, which I've got more, and now I actually do make a few $100s rather than just a few pennies. And now I went back and looked at some of those videos because YouTube sent me a thing, and I said, well, fine. And I just clicked the thing that said, edit it out, silence that part. And I thought, well, I'll just silence the part with music in it. Well, it ended up that I found out today, it silenced the entire video. I have 30-minute videos that have no sound whatsoever. I'm absolutely furious. You can go on my channel, they're still on there right now. You can go down some of my Glamis videos, and I thought I was just taking out some of the music, but somehow they just edited out the whole frigging thing. I'm absolutely furious. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make this video to help all my friends, because I always tell my friends, go out there, start a YouTube channel. Just like I'm telling you right now, if you haven't started a YouTube channel, go start it. It's amazing. You can upload stuff, it's free, it doesn't cost you a penny, and they're great memories. But if you're gonna do it thinking that you might monetize, and even if you think you might not monetize, you'd be surprised. You might end up monetizing, and then your old videos with all that music on, you don't make any pennies on those at all. You're actually giving the money to the music owners if you've already done that. So don't make this valuable mistake. This is a short video. I'm not trying to be fancy about it. I'm just being straight up honest with you guys. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, and luckily I have those videos in my editing program, so I can actually just pull the music out, because a lot of the parts in the video where I have the music playing behind me talking, because it's just awkward silence sometimes, and sometimes I don't know what I'm going to say, so I leave a little bit of silence. It's nice to have a little music going, trying to make it sound professional. That's cool, but they silenced out those sections. Some of the videos only have big sections. Some of them I had to pick some music from YouTube Studio, which sucks. I'm just going to be honest with you. Sorry, YouTube. YouTube Studio sucks. It just, you don't have control over it like you do in an editing program. In an editing program, I could put the music in. I mean, I'm sure there's ways of doing it. I'm sure you can learn how to use it and stuff. If that's all you have, that's all you got to deal with. But to go back and try to re-edit these videos while keeping them on YouTube is a problem. So if I pull the video down, I lose all the views. So you don't want to make that mistake either, because then you're going to lose all those valuable views. And to pull it down, re-edit it, and then re-upload it, it comes in as a new upload. So that's a problem too, because now all my subscribers are like, hey, Tim, why are you uploading videos you uploaded 2 years ago? Well, that's because YouTube copyrighted them, and I'm pissed, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to go in to my editing program, and I'm going to pull out the sound of the music that was supposedly copyright free, and I'm going to fix it with my music that I pay for. I pay for a membership now, Epidemic Sound. This is not a commercial for Epidemic Sound by any means. They don't even know who I am. other than the fact that I pay for a membership and they give me safe areas that I can use it. So if I have a TikTok, it's safe. I can use their music. If I have an Instagram, which I do, I have an Instagram, that's it. And I do make some reels, very small amount. Most everything I do is on YouTube. But you can have all your Facebook, like if you guys have it, you can have all that on your safe area, and Epidemic Sound will not copyright you. They will not nail you for that. YouTube works hand in hand with Epidemic Sound. It just makes it so much easier. It's unbelievably easy. And I have never, ever, ever, ever had one single problem uploading and having issues found once I upload those videos. If you're a YouTuber and you do uploading, you'll know what I'm talking about. It sends you a little message that says there were no issues found with this video. I've never had a problem with Epidemic Sound. It's been the greatest thing. I think I pay maybe $109 for the year for the membership. So worth it, because now I have to spend hours, go back. Yeah, I could just leave the videos, but I don't have that many videos. I'm only 2 years into my YouTube venture. And I want those videos, and now they're all jacked up with some weird music that I got off of YouTube Studio, and my talking in the background's gone. It just kind of ruined the whole video. And that one video that I played today, the whole thing is silent. Believe it or not, the whole thing is silent, except for like 3 seconds of some copyrighted music. That's the only thing they left on there. When I clicked to give them the right to just silence those areas with copyrighted stuff, they ended up silencing the whole entire video. I know I'm gonna have 1,000 comments. All you guys are gonna go, you don't know what you're doing. You're right, I didn't. I was new. And I know what I'm doing now, and I know that I'm using Epidemic Sound. So to all you guys that I've suggested to start YouTube channels, please don't make the mistake I did and use free music that says it's okay to use on YouTube. It's okay to use unless you're going to monetize off of it. Then it's copyrighted, and then they get all the pennies. So you don't want to lose out on 50 pennies over here and 50 pennies over here, because the pennies are the only things that add up on YouTube. So that's my advice to you guys. And I've told a lot of my friends to start YouTube channels. I got a good friend who just started a channel, and I hope he sees this video, and I hope he understands that it is very important in your beginning days when you are just starting to build your YouTube channel. Use music that is copyright safe, and it's not going to get a copyright strike. I don't have any strikes. They never gave me any strikes, but they did say it's found to have copyrighted music. So I don't want any issues, and Epidemic Sound has been so good to me. I pay the membership every year. It comes with sound effects. It comes with everything. I know there's some other music companies that you can buy stuff off of, but I've just always used Epidemic Sound. And I just want to stress to you guys, don't make the same frigging mistake I did. I'm so frustrated. Now I have to go in and I'm going to fix all of these issues with these videos, and I'm going to put them on private, and then I'm going to re-upload the whole video again. So the video is going to be on my channel twice. One will only be viewable, and that's going to be the one with the Epidemic Sound where I don't have any copyright issues on the music. So I hope that helps you guys out. I hope you found some value in this video. There's nothing fancy. I'm just right here in my so-called YouTube studio after work. But I'm furious, and I wanted to share that with you guys. You can go check out my channel if you think I'm lying. I'm not just like a guru on here telling you guys what to do. I just don't want you to make the same mistake I did, because I'm so furious about it. So that's it, guys. I hope you have a good one, and we'll see you on the next video.